Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money by watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn cash simply by watching advertisements online. In this video, we'll be discussing the best sites where you can make up to $1,000 per week by dedicating some of your time to watching ads. So, how exactly can you earn money by watching ads? It's simple. Many companies are willing to pay you for your time and attention. By watching these ads, you're helping these companies gather valuable data and insights on consumer behavior. In return, they compensate you for your time. It's a win-win situation. The potential to make $1,000 per week through these sites is not just a dream. It's a reality for many individuals who dedicate their time to this side hustle. Imagine earning a significant amount of extra cash just by watching ads during your free time. Whether you're a student looking to make some pocket money or a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the household income, these sites offer a flexible way to earn money. However, it's crucial to choose legitimate and reliable platforms when it comes to earning money by watching ads. With the rise of online scams and fraudulent websites, it's essential to do your research and only trust reputable sites. We'll be sharing some tips on how to identify trustworthy platforms that will pay you fairly for your time and effort. Stay tuned to learn more about how you can start making money by watching ads today. Understanding ad watching sites. Have you ever wondered how ad watching sites actually work and how you can earn money from them? Let's delve into the fascinating world of ad watching platforms and uncover the mechanics behind this popular way of making extra cash online. Ad watching sites operate on a simple premise. Users are paid to watch advertisements. These platforms partner with advertisers who are looking to reach a specific target audience. Users sign up for these sites, create a profile detailing their interests and demographics, and are then presented with a variety of ads to watch. Each ad comes with a designated payout, and users can earn money by watching these ads in full. When it comes to the types of ads users may encounter on these platforms, the possibilities are endless. From short video ads to interactive surveys and product promotions, users can expect a diverse range of content to engage with. Some platforms may also offer targeted ads based on users' preferences and browsing history, making the experience more personalized and relevant. The mechanics of earning through ad watching are straightforward. Users accumulate earnings by watching ads, completing tasks, or engaging with sponsored content. Once a user reaches a certain threshold, they can cash out their earnings via various payment methods such as PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. The more time and effort you dedicate to watching ads, the more money you can potentially earn. Intrigued by the idea of making money by watching ads? Stay tuned as we explore the top ad watching sites that offer lucrative earning opportunities and provide tips on maximizing your earnings through this innovative side hustle. Top sites for earning. Are you ready to start making money by watching ads? Look no further. We've curated a list of the top sites that offer fantastic earning opportunities through ad watching. Let's explore the key features, earning potential, and tips for maximizing your earnings on each of these recommended platforms. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards platform that allows users to earn points, Swagbucks, by watching ads, taking surveys, and completing various tasks. Users can redeem their Swagbucks for cash via PayPal or gift cards. To maximize your earnings on Swagbucks, be sure to complete daily tasks, participate in surveys, and watch a variety of ads to earn more points. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars offers users the chance to earn money by watching ads, playing games, and taking surveys. Users can cash out their earnings via check or PayPal. With Inbox Dollars, you can increase your earnings by participating in paid offers, referring friends, and consistently engaging with the platform's activities. 3. My Points. My Points rewards users for watching ads, shopping online, and taking surveys. Users can redeem their points for cash or gift cards. To boost your earnings on My Points, make sure to shop through the platform's partner retailers, complete offers, and watch a variety of ads to earn more points. 4. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel offers users the opportunity to earn money by watching ads, completing surveys, and participating in online tasks. Users can cash out their earnings via PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. To maximize your earnings on PrizeRubble, focus on completing high-paying surveys, participating in daily challenges, and watching ads consistently. By leveraging the features and benefits of these top ad-watching sites, you can unlock your earning potential and start making money in no time. Happy earning. Strategies for success. Looking to maximize your earnings on ad-watching sites? We've got you covered with effective strategies that will help you optimize your earning potential and make the most out of your time spent watching ads. Let's dive into some key tips for success in the world of ad-watching platforms. 1. Increase the number of ads watched per day. One of the most straightforward ways to boost your earnings on ad-watching sites is to increase the number of ads you watch per day. Set aside dedicated time each day to watch ads consistently. By actively seeking out and engaging with more ads, you can accumulate earnings at a faster rate and reach your financial goals sooner. 2. Consistency and dedication. Consistency is key when it comes to earning money on ad-watching platforms. Make it a habit to log in regularly, watch ads, and complete tasks to maintain a steady stream of earnings. Dedicate time each day to engage with the platform and stay committed to your earning goals. The more consistent and dedicated you are, the more you'll see your earnings grow over time. 3. Avoid common pitfalls and scams. While ad-watching sites offer a legitimate way to earn money online, it's essential to be cautious and avoid falling for common pitfalls and scams. Be wary of platforms that promise unrealistically high earnings or ask for upfront payments. Research each site thoroughly before signing up and only engage with reputable and trustworthy platforms to ensure a safe and secure earning experience. By implementing these strategies for success, you can optimize your earnings on ad-watching sites and make the most of this lucrative opportunity to earn money by watching ads. Stay focused, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. Real-life success stories. Get ready to be inspired by real-life success stories of individuals who have achieved significant financial milestones through ad-watching sites. These stories showcase the transformative impact of earning money by watching ads and highlight the incredible opportunities that these platforms offer for those looking to boost their income. Meet Sarah, a college student who started using ad-watching sites to earn extra cash while juggling her studies. Through consistent dedication and a strategic approach to watching ads, Sarah was able to earn over $500 per month, helping her cover her tuition fees and living expenses. Sarah's success story is a testament to the power of leveraging ad-watching platforms to achieve financial independence and support her educational goals. John, a stay-at-home dad, turned to ad-watching sites as a way to contribute to his family's finances while taking care of his children. By watching ads during his free time and staying committed to his earning goals, John was able to earn over $1,000 per month, providing valuable support to his family and easing the financial burden on his spouse. John's story exemplifies how ad-watching sites can offer a flexible and rewarding way to earn money from the comfort of home. These inspiring anecdotes demonstrate the real-life impact of earning through ad-watching sites, showcasing how individuals from diverse backgrounds have successfully boosted their income and achieved financial stability. By hearing these testimonials and interviews firsthand, you can gain valuable insights into the earning potential of ad-watching platforms and the life-changing opportunities they can provide. Get ready to be motivated and empowered by these incredible success stories of individuals who have turned their ad-watching hustle into a pathway to financial success. Remember, the potential to earn up to $1,000 per week through these platforms is within reach, and with dedication and strategic approaches, you can turn this side hustle into a lucrative source of income. By utilizing ad-watching sites, you can enjoy a range of benefits, including the flexibility to earn money on your own schedule, the opportunity to supplement your income with minimal effort, and the chance to explore diverse earning opportunities online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or anyone looking to earn extra cash, ad-watching sites offer a convenient and accessible way to boost your financial resources. Imagine the possibilities of earning $1,000 per week simply by watching ads during your free time. With the right mindset and commitment, you can turn this vision into a reality and unlock your earning potential through ad-watching platforms. Stay focused, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow as you engage with these rewarding opportunities. To stay updated on the latest tips and insights on making money through ad watching, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about the exciting world of ad watching sites. Together, we can empower more individuals to explore new avenues of earning and achieve financial success. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your ad watching endeavors.